successful drum rides.
Here we're going. We're now start to this hike up. Where are we going, Chris? What's the hike called?
Devil's Peak.
Devil's Peak.
Look up. It looks like the tree's about to fall.
Really?
Actually, look at it.
From where? From Hart Bay?
From Kirstenbosch Gardens. You hike.
So you hike from Kirstenbosch Gardens to Kirstenbosch Gardens?
You hike, I don't know, somewhere onto the mountain, and then you go down to Kirstenbosch Gardens, and then you can go on the snake bridge from there.
Oh yeah. Are you gonna get on it?
No. No. Squat likes love.
Squat likes love! Where the fuck are we right now?
Kirstenbosch.
Oh, we're halfway there.
So that was quite gnarly. Got to the top of the wrong place because we were hoping to get up Devil's Peak, and we ended up Newlands Ravine because we wanted to go on more of a scenic route. Accidentally. Make it into a bed, dude. That's a weird shit, please.
Show me right here.
What you doing, boy?
Who's hungry, boys?
Oh, you got some shrooms, eh? Don't eat that! Chris, what should you not eat on mountains?
Got some of that good. Sam, boy.
You got what?
Some of that good. Piece of break. Look, try to eat one of those mushrooms, you just get like a gnarly nosebleed and see the light.
It's like having to pay.
There's like a little ridge there that you could actually climb up.
Oh yeah?
Do you want to do it?
No.
I'm up there, I'll check.
Wow, that's so dope.
No, you goodbye.
You gonna climb it, Chris?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoy it?
Yeah.